Yo, what going on, people them? Yo, you must be wondering, why me look so dirty? Yo, come here. I'm gonna show you something. See right you know, over there at the NOLA Caribbean Experience Festival, listen to me I say. And let me tell you something. They say the NOLA calling me crazy. Yo, that they crazy. As a matter of fact, look here, let me show you something. I'm gonna take you back and show you some of the foolishness how they go on. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, you mean you don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean you don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean you don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean you don't tell a friend them about Yaadman Etan?
Yeah, so you see that white shirt right there, so? Yeah, my shirt was also white. And then this happened.
With the paint and the powder on the equipment.
Alright there. Show me there. Show me there.
Tonight, we have the... I want everybody run to the bus on 4, ready? 1, 2, I want everybody stay where you are. When the song play, I want you to run to the truck in the front. Alright?
Ready?
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 Run that.
I want you to show me how you will run from the police.
We're ready to
We're gonna do something different. I want everybody to run in the parking lot in a big circle. Run around that truck. Ready? 1, 2.
When it comes to Mars, what a tough striker!
Oh, you mean people that don't know, say your boy Yaadman Etan and we're there at the Rum Punch Brunch. You see, we're still there in the New Orleans. You see me I say? 1 of 4 events today. What we are doing today? You see, we have a whole heap of people from different parts of the world, different parts of America, different parts of the Caribbean. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to run in upon them. I'm going to see if we can do like a little accent challenge. You see me I say? Make them repeat some things in a patois. Yeah, we got fun with that one here. Watch it now. Boom. Don't know, say about Yaadman Etan, and please, my dear, please introduce yourself to the people.
Well, you don't know, I am Tara Lynn, the one and only Bimini gal repping the Bahamas, and I'm here at the NOLA Caribbean Festival. I just mashed up the place, and yeah, I buck into this man. I know what he wants to.
Yo, I want to get a little content for the people that make them, you know, a lot of fun thing. But before me even get into that, Miss Tara Lynn, please tell me a little bit more about you. What do you represent? Where you're coming from? And
That's a great question. So I'm a soca baby, but I mix it up with a little bit of dancehall. I always tease people and say it's a little bit of rude gal inside of me. But yeah, I'm just representing really for the Caribbean, for our culture. You know, I feel like the America right now has just been embracing and kind of utilizing our sound, and it's time for us to rise up and really give it, you know, the real punch and the authenticity. So I'm here for it. Okay. And I'm here for the women empowerment too. You know, my song, Big and Sexy and Cute, is all about just loving yourself, being happy no matter what the scale says or society, and just bigging up yourself.
You know, you from Bahamas, so like, I'm trying to, let's do like an accent challenge here. Give me something, man. I'm going to give you something. Let's see if we can.
Well, I got to teach you something. You know, it's bungi?
What is bungi?
Bungi. That was good. Right? You did. Bungi is bati.
Bati.
Yeah, so when I say all the man want to draw to my bungi, my boom say, That mean they want to come here.
Okay, all right, cool. So bungi.
Yes.
Okay, I want you to say one of my catchphrases, all right?
Okay.
It's oh you mean.
Oh, you mean?
Oh you mean.
Oh, you mean?
All right, so you said it right.
Okay,
you
good.
know what I mean?
Hey, hop, hop. Like how you doing?
Like
Or
it's
like-
it's like what do you mean, but kind of way that. What can I really explain it? Like sometimes. Yeah, it's pretty much like, what do you mean? Like, you know, somebody says something kind of crazy, like, yo, oh, you mean?
Oh, you
know
mean?
what I mean? Or somebody
Like
asks,
what you really talking about?
yeah. Or somebody is like, yo, you want a shot of Henny? Oh, you mean, brother?
So I could go different ways.
Yeah.
Ah,
Basically, the thing with patois,
okay, okay.
patois is very, it's very contextual.
Okay,
You know?
that makes sense.
So different things mean different things. in
I have
different
a next one
contexts.
for you.
Yeah. Talk to me.
Tingum,
What?
tingum,
Is it a K or a T?
tingum,
Tingum.
T,
Tingum.
tingum,
Tingum.
tingum in the bush ain't get no name.
What you mean?
All right, hold on. Hold on.
This is a good one. All
Tingum
of
in the
my
bush.
Caribbean people gonna understand this one.
Tingum in the bush, they get no name?
Yes.
What that
Okay,
mean?
so that's a saying that we just say. Like, if I say, man, go over there, man, bring tingum. That means, like, I really don't know what I'm talking about. Like, I might be telling you to get the band, but I can't think of the band name. Tingum, man, just get tingum. So that's why we say the tingum in the bush ain't get no name. Like, y'all need to try to figure out what you're saying because tingum ain't mean nothing. I know that might be a lot for you to take in,
Yo, that was
but
a-
that's real Bohemian talk.
Boom, boy, yo, may I tell you that did mad. May I tell you, that was absolutely crazy. But guess what? You see when me did do a rum punch earlier, we'll come back here so we're going to continue the fun. You see me I say? People from New Orleans and people from all over the Caribbean there I celebrate Caribbean culture. So here what me I say? We're going to continue from the previous thing. We're going to continue up the accent challenge. What you know? Boom. So both of those people them, you don't know say Yaadman Etan, and please sir, introduce yourself. Please.
What's happening, boss? This is Joel from New Orleans, representing the Big Easy.
My dear, what's your name and where you from?
My name's Gabby and I'm from Daytona Beach, Florida. Lucy from Miami. Dominique from New York.
Brian from Dallas, Texas.
Where your name and where you come from?
Wait, what?
Well, this is going to be a lot harder than I expected. All right, so my friend, what is your name and where are you from?
Honduras and Cayman Islands.
Okay.
Yeah, but
From Cayman Islands.
yeah, Honduras mostly.
Oh, and under. Okay, so what's your name?
Anthony.
Anthony.
My name is Catherine from England, but I'm originally African, Zimbabwe.
How about you, my dear?
My name is Lorianne, Guyanese and Jamaican from Brooklyn.
So Joel, please tell the people them exactly what's going on around here.
So this is the third annual NOLA Caribbean Festival. NOLA is New Orleans, Louisiana, the northernmost city in the Caribbean. And yeah, we're doing it big time, doing it Caribbean style, the way that only we know how in New Orleans.
Yeah.
A little bit different, but still the same type of vibe.
Okay, cool. So Joel, have you seen some of my content before?
A little bit, yeah.
A little bit. So you know that.
Yaadman Etan.
Yeah, so you don't know that I'm a comedian, right?
I don't know.
I want to give you a phrase.
Okay.
In Patois.
Okay.
Right? And I want to know if you can identify what I'm saying.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying? Alright, and I want you to repeat it and I want to see if you can repeat it.
Okay,
Just
fair
like how I did, alright?
Okay, yeah, man.
Alright, ready? So the phrase is right now more run a boat.
Right now, more run a boat. Is the MSA?
You know what that means?
Right now I'm running a boat.
Right now I want to cook a food.
Bombo cloud, alright. Yeah, man.
You carry a bucket go well, one day the butter must drop out. Say it after me. One day, carry bucket go well.
Carry butt.
Alright, start over. One day, carry bucket go well. The butter must drop out.
The butter must drop all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think that means?
Talking about the butter, right? Or the bucket? Talking about the bucket?
Yeah.
The bucket drop, right? No? Oh, Jesus.
I'm so bad. Let me say exactly what it means. One day, because when you take the bucket to the well to catch water, eventually the bottom of the bucket is going to fall out because the bucket is old. So you know what that means? If you keep abusing a situation to your own benefit, and you're not taking care of it,
it'll not be worth it.
Exactly. So don't take advantage of people. See what I'm saying? Because one day somebody might get annoyed if you It's like, yo, you dog. You know what I mean? Just like how that bucket says, yo, you, no more water.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. All right, mad thing. Big up yourself, brother. Somebody here, come here. So, you born in Jamaica. So, you're going to be my teammate in this, all right? What I am doing here, I'm going to run a little accent challenge for them. You see me, I say? So, I want them repeat something in a patois. I want to see if them can say it properly. You understand? Right, you know, me want whole a fresh.
Rat melon.
Say it after me, right?
Right?
Yeah?
Yeah.
No.
No.
Me.
Right? No, me.
Wa. Whole. A. Fresh.
Fresh.
So say it now.
I don't know. She got it. So I'm calling my Trinidadian friend.
You want a shower? Come on, dirty.
What now, Miro? Want a fresh?
You want to basically take a shower?
Yeah, come on, dirty right now, so I need to take a shower. Ready?
Ready.
What going for your man?
What for your man? What for your man?
What going for your man?
Okay, what going for your man?
Yeah, what do you think that means?
What's up with your man? Like, what's going on with your boyfriend?
All right.
She get you. All right. So educated.
All right, cool. Let me do something even a bit harder.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man. Something simple. Why pre?
Why-pre? Okay. What you saying? Like, what's up?
Bombo clots!
No, you just had what's up. Why a primo? What you doing? What you talking? Like, he's trying to see what's going on. That's real yard stuff. Yeah. Why a primo?
All right. Ladies, you got it. Thank you very much. You surprised me. Thank you very much. Yo, people, them, it hard for catch them ladies there, it hard. Yo, people, if you don't know, say Yaadman Etan. I was done with the accent challenge segment, you see me, I say? But anyway, man, I have a lot more footage to show Uno from my amazing New Orleans, Louisiana Carnival experience. You see me, I say? Thank you, NOLA Caribbean Experience, Patois Experience. Boom, bam. I want out, see you soon. So look at me. From the tip of my dreadlocks to the sole of my feet.
Okay.
Alright? And I need to get a proper rating from you, my dear, from 1 to 10.